Hello everyone, today we will review key findings from our executive report on spinal muscular atrophy SMA therapeutics and diagnostics, a market outlook 2025 to 2030. We lines cover market size, competitive intelligence, asset valuation and forecast, as well as our strategic recommendations. To begin, the global SMA therapeutics market was valued around $5.8 billion in 2024 and is expected to reach more than double, approximately $12.4 billion by 2030. Growth is supported by increasing newborn screening programs, expanded treatment indications, and innovative therapies offering improved patient outcomes. The diagnostic sector is also evolving with therapeutics, emphasizing early genetic screening and biomarker monitoring. Advances in next-generation sequencing, or NGS, and mandated newborn screening policies worldwide are increasing diagnosis rates and facilitating earlier treatment initiation. Two main drivers are propelling innovation in the SMA space. First, technology push, including gene therapy innovations, like the use of AAV9 vectors for single-dose gene replacement, therapies that deliver long-lasting SMN protein expression, and advances in antisense oligonucleotides, or ASOs, which are therapies that modulate SMN to splicing to increase functional SMN protein. Second, market pull drivers like broadened patient eligibility, high unmet medical need, regulatory incentives, and evolving reimbursement models. In terms of top 5 global innovators, we have Biogen with its product Spinraza, which is an ASO promoting exon 7 inclusion in SMN2 mRNA to increase functional protein. Next, Novartis with Zolgensma, which is a single-dose intravenous AAV9 gene replacement therapy. Then Roche with Evrysdi, which is an oral small molecule that increases SMN protein production by modulating SMN to splicing. Also Scholar Rock with apitegromab, which is a monoclonal antibody inhibiting myostatin and promoting muscle growth as an add-on therapy to SMN targeting treatments. And finally, Roche pipeline with continuing development of oral splicing modulators and muscle function enhancers. When it comes to diagnostics, the key players include Invitae, Blueprint Genetics, and Fulgent Genetics for SMA genetic testing, and Quanterix for advanced biomarker detection platforms. And in terms of economic valuation and forecast, Novartis Zolgensma generated approximately $2.6 billion in 2024 with forecasts exceeding $5 billion by 2030 driven by label expansions and increased adoption. Biogen Spinraza achieved $3.1 billion in 2020 for sales, but is expected to stabilize or slightly decline to approximately $3 billion by 2030 due to competition and biosimilar entry. Roche's Evrysdi reported $1.7 billion in sales in 2024, with projections reaching $3.5 billion by 2030. And Scholar Rock apitegromab is still in clinical development and is forecasted to generate between $0.8 and $1.2 billion annually by 2030 if approved. In conclusion, the SMA therapeutic landscape is rapidly evolving with gene and RNA-based technologies leading innovation. Strong patent protection and regulatory exclusivity support significant economic value for current assets. The diagnostic sector is advancing, enabling earlier and more accurate disease detection, which supports expanded patient populations. Over the next 5 years, SMA treatment is expected to transition towards multimodal, combination therapies addressing both SMN restoration and muscle function enhancement, ultimately improving patient outcomes and broadening market opportunities. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.